Welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to do project number 2 with the Nests of Christmas October 2024 paper pumpkin kit. So I have got my card base. I've got my greeting, which is joyful thoughts to you this season, stamp spot. I've got my ribbon and my greeting banner, and then I've got the 3 die cuts that I need for this. So let's go ahead and we need to fold. I'm just going to use the edge of the block just to give me a nice crisp fold there, and I'm going to need to do that again here like that, and let's just do it from the back as well. So if you've got a bone folder, you can absolutely use the bone folder. I just try and use only what's in the kit and maybe a pair of scissors, so that you can see that you don't really need anything other than the kit and a pair of scissors. So let's go ahead. I'm going to Versamark this. I haven't used this one. So I'm going to Versamark this. Again, it helps the ink adhere, and it helps keep the stamp from staining. So we're just going to make sure we've got good coverage on this. And then we're going to stamp this down right in the middle. Joyful thoughts to you this season. There we go. Nice, nice, nice. Let's put the lid back on that. Put the lid back on that, out of the way. Now, what we need to do is we need to put some tear and tape on the ribbon. Okay, and then we need to put it on the back of the greeting banner. So right in the middle, kind of equal distance each end. I'm a little bit off, but I'm not too worried about that. And then this goes right in the middle, and we dimensionalize it. So we're going to pop 4 dimensionals on the back of this one. And then I think, as with project number 1, we're going to have to be really careful where we put our dimensionals for the other die cuts to make sure that we don't actually glue the card closed. So this goes kind of upper middle, just like that. Nope. Okay, and now for the die cuts, this one goes up here like this, and it tells us that the dimensionals go right close to the edge, these corners, and then right there like that. So let's, we're just going to make sure that when we put this down, yep, we're going to be fine as far as the card goes. We're not actually going to be gluing the card closed. Yes, we should be good. Okay. The other option is just to put the dimensionals down on the card base like I did for project number 1. So we're going to keep in mind, we still need to be able to fit this in the envelope. So there, we've got that attached there like that, and it should still fit in the envelope even with those little bits on the edge. So then for this one, we need to put a dimensional down here, and then one up here. And let's just give that a whirl, putting it down. It goes there and there. See, it needs to sit like this. Okay. It's actually got it sitting a bit higher, but I think that's about the limit of where we can go with our dimensionals. So let's just do that. Okay. And again, just holding it above so I know where I'm placing it. We've got the one dimensional there and the other one there. And again, so we can still open the card. And this one should be fairly straightforward. We just need one dimensional right in the middle like that. And then we pop this down like that onto the other face. So that is project number 2. Again, lots of space to write your message on the inside. Just really careful with where you put your dimensionals so you don't end up sealing the card closed. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for those alternates.